Welcome to Cook School. I'm Fei Koo and I'll be teaching you some very handy kitchen techniques to help make you a better home cook. Today, we're going to be talking about salads. A salad needs a certain number of building blocks to make it a really good special salad. For example, you need leaves. So it could be a cos lettuce, it could be iceberg, it could be radicchio, it could be jam. So you've got the leaves. You need herbs. And what the herbs do is they give perfume to the salad. They lend depth to it. And then add some crunch. It could be papadum. You could crush up some papadum or make some crispy, fragrant pancetta, or even have nuts like macadamia or pine nuts which you can toast and then crumble. So it gives a little bit of crunch to the salad and it gives it that extra oomph. Then you have your cheeses. Obviously you can use a soft cheese like the blue cheese or feta which you can then crumble into the salad, or you can use a hard cheese like Parmesan, which is always a popular choice. And then salad dressing. With your salad dressing, you want to remember that you want to have a 3:1 ratio of oil to acid. A good way to do it is to use a recycled jar because the acid will sink and the oil will go on top and you can see your ratio. And if you don't finish it, screw the cap back on and you can use it next time. Right, let's get started. A salad spinner is invaluable because you can dry your leaves very effectively and it doesn't end up being claggy and ruining your salad. Or get a large tea towel, throw some leaves in, fold them up. After you've washed them, give it a good swing, and your leaves will be dry in no time at all. Right, so salad bowl, let's put some leaves in, so crumble it in. Make sure your hands are clean. Throw in some leaves, add some of this. Now with your basil, you don't want to use whole leaves because it tends to be a little bit too much when you get a whole leaf in your mouth. So what you do is you can pluck off a whole bunch like so and just cut it in. We've got some nuts crumbled, so let's throw some of the crumbled nuts in and that gives a crunch to the salad. We've got some rocket, let's throw that in as well. Now let's make the dressing. If you want to make it a little bit more, fancy, you can always add some olive oil, mince some garlic, put the garlic in, white wine vinegar, 1/3 to the oil. Add some salt and pepper. Make sure you don't use too much because the leaves will become claggy. Toss with your fingers to coat because that's the most effective way to get all the leaves through, or use obviously salad implements if you have it. So you've got your salad. Simply grate some cheese over the top, or like I said, crumble it if it's a soft cheese, but if it's a hard cheese, just grate it over the top. And there you have it. A good salad done.